Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to set a passcode in the Evernote app to keep your notes secure. Protecting your personal and work-related information is important, and using a passcode ensures that only you can access your content. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top left. Then, from the menu that appears, select the Settings option. Look for the passcode option on this page. Then tap on Passcode and turn on the Require Passcode feature. You will be prompted to enter a passcode of your choice. Make sure to choose a code that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After entering the passcode, re-enter it to confirm and activate the security feature. Once confirmed, your Evernote app will require the passcode each time you open it, adding an extra layer of security to your notes and personal information. Make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.